So after that brain break warm up and then our number gator song, you probably have an idea of what we're doing today. We are going to be using our, to show them off, greater than, less than, equal to signs to help us say which numbers are bigger or smaller. Today's lesson is going to be super fun. Pay attention because at the end of this, instead of going on Zearn, we're not going to do Zearn being required this week. You can get on it if you want to practice more, but it's not a part of the lesson anymore. So after this lesson, after my video, we're going to do a time to climb based on what we learned. So make sure you're paying attention so that you will know how to solve the time to climb. Okay? Now you know. All right, so today we're working on greater than, less than, equal to signs. And we're going to be talking about with bigger numbers how we can figure out which one's greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay? So first off, we're going to do a quick practice. We're going to do a thumbs up or thumbs down. Okay? So if you think this statement is correct or true, thumbs up. If you're like, no, that's not right, thumbs down. Okay? So here we go. First number sentence. Is it true or false? 5 is the same as 7. Is that the same? Definitely not. Those are not equal. 5 is not the same as 7. So remember, we would go not. No, not equal. All right. What about 5 is greater than 7? Because the big mouth means greater. Is 5 greater than 7? No, 5 is smaller. So we would need to turn that so the smaller mouth is toward the 5 and the bigger one's toward the 7. Okay, so that was a no. All right, we're gonna practice some more. I'm just gonna show you. Thumbs up or thumbs down? What do you think? Now I'm gonna read it. 6 is greater than 9. What do you think about that? Nah, nope, 9 is bigger. So we would need to flip that around. 9 is the greater one. 6 is less than 9. Man, these are a lot of ones that are not right. All right, I'm gonna keep practicing. Oh, show me thumbs up, thumbs down. 6 is equal to 6. Is that true or false? That's true. They're the same number. 6 is equal to 6. They're the same. So that'll be a thumbs up. All right, let's do one more. Ready? I'm not going to read it yet. I want you to show me your thumbs. Okay. 7 is greater than 4. Do we agree with that? Definitely. 7 is greater than 4. All right, so now that we've done a quick practice of our greater than, less than, equal to, we're going to be taking this and using bigger numbers with our greater than, less than, equal to. Okay, so, gotta check in my lesson. What are we doing next? Okay. All right, so to help you see which ones are bigger, it's really helpful to use place value. Okay, so let's do, I want to do ones that trick us up sometimes. 13 and 30, okay? And we need to figure out what to put in the middle. 13 and 30. Oh dear. So what I would do is let's think about the 10s and the 1s. 10s and 1s, and 10s and 1s. So 13 has 1 10 and 3 1s, and 30 has 3 10s and 0 1s. Okay? And remember, the more 10s you have, the bigger the number is going to be. You could also look at your 120s chart and see which one is farther down and bigger. So we have 30 and 13. So which one's greater than? The 30. So we would make that greater than sign towards the 30. Okay. All right, let's practice a couple more with those bigger numbers. And I'm going to use my place value chart to help me see our 10s and our 1s. Okay? All right, let's practice 60 and 90. Which way should our sign go? Greater than, less than, or equal to? What do you think? 60 and 90. Well, this one has how many 10s? 6 10s. This one has how many tens? 9 tens. 9 is more than 6, so we know 90 is going to be greater than 60. Greater than. All right, let's practice one more. All right, let's do, ooh, these are numbers that might be switched around sometimes. All right, we have 49 and 94. Now, if you get confused on numbers like this, you could draw them with quick tens. And that's what I'm going to show you too. So I showed you can use your 120s chart. You can put them in place value boxes to see how many tens and how many ones. And we can draw them. So for 49, let's draw our quick tens. Ready? So how many tens do we have? 4. 10, 20, 30, 40. How many ones? 9. Let's add our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so there's our 49 with quick tens. Let's go ahead and build 94 with quick tens. How many tens are there? 9. Let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Whoa, that's a lot. And then how many ones? 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now by looking at this with our place value chart and our quick tens, we can tell which one's bigger. The 94, definitely. So you put the big mouth towards the 94, eat that bigger number. There we go. I think we actually should practice at least one more before we go on to the time to climb, just so you know exactly what you're doing. So let's see. Let's do, I want to do a tricky one. 59 and 95. Which way should the mouth go? Greater than, less than, or equal to? Well, first off, we know those numbers are not equal, right? Those are not the same, so it's not going to be equal to. By looking at our tens, 59, how many tens are here? 5 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How many tens are over here? 9 tens. Let's count by tens again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And then we have 5 ones over here and 9 ones over here. So even though there's a big 9 over here, 9 ones is a lot less than 9 tens. So which way should our mouth go? Should eat that 95 or eat the 59? Or be equal? Definitely eat the 95. All right, good job. For our time to climb, it's going to give you an option, okay? So it's going to give you something like this. 5 is equal to 7. And you're just going to do thumbs. And you're going to click on thumbs up. Yep, I agree. That's right. I hope you know that's not right. Or thumbs down. Nope, that's not right. Okay? And that's all the time to climb is. In the settings, it said we should be able to do them. So hopefully it works because they told me it would. So we'll try it out and see because you guys loved doing it in class, and we'll see if we can get it to work over our online learning. So again, it'll give you a number like bigger numbers, 15 and 19. And is 15 less than 19? You'd have to click the thumbs up or the thumbs down. What do you think? 110, 5 ones, 110, 9 ones. It is smaller, so 15 is less than 19. So that would be a thumbs up, okay? I will be able to see your work in time to climb. I can see all your work during these. So make sure you always do your best job and do all the activities on the Nearpod. And I will see you guys for writing after this. Good night.